Okay, in this lesson, we are going to take a closer look at one of the interesting problems in calculus. How are we going to integrate this function? This is quite interesting. To integrate this, you need to keep the function as it is, right? And then you add 1 to the power, right? And then after that, you need to divide with that result of the power, which is n plus 1. But you multiply with the derivative of f of x plus a constant of integration. We are going to write 2x plus 1, right? We are going to say 1 over 2 plus 1 on the power, and we divide by that 1 over 2 plus 1. And we multiply by what? By the derivative of 2x plus 1, right? Plus a constant of integration. Derivative of 2x plus 1, we are going to get 2. So quite interesting, this 2 and this 2 cancels out. So our final answer, that was quite interesting. Awesome.